Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and bell for notifications. It's July the 17th of 2019. It's been 50 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. Let's take a look at this top tray. Not sure how that piece of cardboard got in there on top. Must have been on the lid. Anyways, let's see here if there's any worms left in this tray, and there is. See a few here and there. So there's obviously still some food in here they're eating. This was on the bottom, moved it up top to try to get them to migrate down, because they definitely don't migrate up like it's designed. Yeah, there's still quite a few in there. Let's take a look at this next tray. And this was our coffee and filters. And there's quite a few in there. Wearing it out. Just want to aerate this a little bit. Oh yeah. Still quite a few. A lot of food. Just probably won't feed again this week. I see a lot of coffee still. A lot of carbon. And quite a few worms in there. Moisture feels good. Temperature feels good. Check this bottom tray out. There's a baby worm right there on top of that coffee ground or coffee filter. And the bottom tray we had been feeding just a mixture of stuff, hadn't fed in it in a while. Looks like there's still quite a bit of carbon. Shredded cardboard and paper. And a few worms, not many. Mainly in the middle tray. I hadn't seen many, and there's a few there. Yep, a few here and there. Nothing major. Let's see here, and quite a few on the worm ladder down there. I just put the bait cups in here. You got two in here, yeah, 1 and 2. 2 nights ago, so I'm not gonna check those. I don't expect much. And then I just put the bait cup in here. Ooh, there's some on top already though. I'm gonna leave them alone. We'll check them next week. But this is the holding bin for now. I do want to look in it, see if there's any food left. Of course, it wasn't in the first handful. I did put some watermelon in there. Oh yeah, they are on it. Already starting to wear it out. Cool. So we'll definitely look forward to seeing that next week. Had some food in here for a couple weeks on this side. Let's see what it looks like. Quite a few worms in it. Bad potatoes. Well, where's all of our worms at? Just kind of spread out. I guess they're all working their way over to the watermelon. there's a bunch in here. Yeah, looks like they're just kind of spread out, making their way to the watermelon. And this was my bin from the which worms reproduce the best. The only one that I kept going was the red wigglers. I have not looked in on them on video in a while, so I figured I'd do that for those of you that have stuck around to the end. There's a cocoon right there. Let's see what it looks like. I have put food in here a few times since. If you haven't seen that Which Worms Reproduce Best experiment, I'll put that playlist at the end. Check it out for me, I'd appreciate it. Another cocoon right there, fresh and green. It's one thing I haven't seen many cocoons lately in the Worm Factory 360. There's another green one there. So they're still going strong in here. Does look like I need to add some food. Just kind of spread out. Some of them got some size, and then there's some babies. Some little ones. Well, that's part of a banana peel there. That's why there's so many on it. Yeah, still doing good. The only one I'm going to add food to is the Which Worms Reproduce the Best. That little group there. The rest of them's got plenty of food. Check them bait cups next week. Expect some big worm balls. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.